Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Vaporesso Osmall 2 pod system featuring a built-in 450 mAh rechargeable battery powered by fast charging Type-C USB, utilizing a constant voltage output system with a draw activated firing mechanism, paired with a 2 ml refillable Osmall 2 pod, compatible with the original Osmall pod, utilizing an integrated coil system, delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTL style experience. Let's get right into it and present the new Osmall 2 pod system by Vaporesso. And here we have the new Osmall 2 pod system by Vaporesso, the newest addition to the Osmall lineup, crafted from durable zinc alloy, offering a lightweight form factor, paired with a water ripple design to complete the look, available in 7 different color options to choose from. Here we have the blue edition, integrating a built-in 450 mAh rechargeable battery, utilizing a constant voltage-based output system, which would read the coil's resistance and provide the optimal output to match. The Osmall 2 offers a draw-activated firing mechanism with a built-in LED battery light indicator. Here it says Vaporesso Osmall 2, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, rested below, paired with a refillable Osmall 2 pod, magnetic pod connection, featuring a side fill system housing up to 2 ml of e-liquid, utilizing an integrated coil system capable of delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTL experience. Now the package will include the Osmall 2 battery device with a 2 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 1.2 ohm coil, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual. For more information on the new Osmall 2 pod system and other Vaporesso products,